Right, okay. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I would appreciate it if you could tap that subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. But without further ado, today's video is on types of people on aeroplanes. That's right, we're bringing it back. So the first person is the really, or should I say people, is the really annoying group of friends that just don't shut up throughout the whole flight. Like, they just think the flight is theirs. It's like they've booked it and nobody else is allowed to do anything, like get up, talk. Literally, they just sit there, shout and do whatever. It's so annoying. And it's like, you just want to sit there for like 2-3 hours or so, however long the flight is, 4 or 5 hours, I don't know, without these group of people. Just it's so annoying. Right, okay, so I think it's called like stags or stag do's or something like that. Let me know in the comments. Like, they go on a big holiday with their friends and like just before a wedding, I think. I'm pretty sure it's like that, but let me know in the comments what it's called. Oh, okay, well anyway, without further ado, the really annoying group of friends. Oh man.
Come on, get the beers and
Go into Benidorm. Come on, lads. Get a pint. Excuse me, please sit back down. Wait. What do you mean, son? Going to Benidorm, innit, son? Shut up. Shut up, mate. I'm going to Benidorm. Where are you going? I'm going to Benidorm like you. Shut up. Don't care.
Way, Benidorm, Benidorm, way,
Benidorm, 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 yeah, lads. Oh, I love pie beer.
and me, son. Benidorm, Benidorm.
Hey. Will you please just shut up? Ow!
Shut up! Where to first, boys? First
I'm
bar,
thinking the
boys.
first beach we see.
What you first? Hey, lads!
Oh my god, stop!
Shut up! Wait. Chugs a pint of lager, please, James. Wait, lads. 1 minute, son. Hey, come here. Pint of lager to go. What do you mean we're not ready? We just started a flight, come on. 1 minute, son. Come here, you.
Okay, we interrupt your video to say that a flight was cancelled due to a group of idiots who beat up a flight attendant. She has been rushed to hospital and the flight will continue as normal when we get another attendant. Thank you. Right, okay, well, I hope the flight attendant's okay. Well, so the next person on a plane is the baby that won't shut up. And the funny thing is, literally, this is what the parents do. The baby's crying, yeah? They're like, ah, little baby, ah, don't cry now, little baby, ah. Yeah, what? The baby is crying so loud because it doesn't like planes, and all you're doing is, don't worry, little baby, it's okay. Like, it baffles me how stupid some people are. But whatever, the baby that won't shut up. Ding dong, please take your seats. Oh, finally. relaxing trip to Spain.
Excuse me, young sir. Do you know where the toilets are?
I don't know. Ask her.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. Cool. Page 167. Oh god, what's that page now? What? Not this flight. Why? Right, they should shut up in a minute. What did I say now? 167, yeah. Right. Please shut the baby up. 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 Excuse me. Can you tone it down a bit? Sorry, I'm just trying to read. Thank you. Finally. Okay, on page 167. Oh my god, not again. Please. Just thanks.
Don't worry, little baby. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Ah, my little baby, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
Okay, so the third and final one you'll be glad to know is the happy flight attendant. You probably haven't came across these, but there is quite a number of these. They're just the one who takes something over exaggerating, like things. So you know when they're doing the safety instruction, they just go completely over the top when there's no need to, and they just help you out all through the flight, which makes you feel safer and more comfortable. But it's not needed, is it? So the happy flight attendant.
Ding dong. Please look at the people at the front, middle and back of the cabin.
Right. So, in case of an emergency, stick on your jackets now, okay? In the jackets. Zip it up, okay? Well, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up, zip it up. So once you're zipped up, you can put your hands in the pockets and move them around. But I wouldn't advise that because you are on a bloody death trail. So, as you see, there's a little white thing by there. You pull it and it pulls the hood really tight. Pulls the hood really tight. As you saw by that demonstration. So, what you need to do is you need to grab it and you need to blow on it like a whistle. And if it makes that noise, you have sounded to the cabin and the cabin leader that you need help. Okay? And then if you blow this other one, it'll inflate it. See, as you saw mine inflating. That definitely wasn't me, but my hands in my pockets. Okay? Everybody ready for the flight? Come on, let's begin. Thank you.
Right. That wasn't the weirdest safety procedure I've ever seen. Jesus. I really want to sign in now. Oh.
Is everything okay, sir?
Whoa. Yes. Everything's fine, thank you. I want to jump out. That was the scariest thing ever. Okay. Okay. I'm good, thanks. Don't come back. Thank you. Okay. So finally, we've reached the end of the video. So if you have enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. And also that bell, if you want. It's up to you. So without further ado, see you in the next video of mine. Bye.
Form the banana. Form the banana. Form the banana. Form the banana. Peel the banana. Peel the banana.